Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to send an anonymous email using NordVPN. Whether you're looking for extra privacy or you're simply curious about more secure communication, this guide will walk you through the entire process. And if you're planning to get NordVPN, the link below gives you 74% off, plus 3 extra months. First, open the NordVPN app on your device. Using a VPN is essential here because it hides your real IP address before you send anything. You can tap Quick Connect to use the fastest available server, or manually choose a country if you want more control. Once you're connected, your IP address is masked, and it appears as if you're browsing from a different location. Next, choose an anonymous email service. Proton Mail is a popular option thanks to its end-to-end encryption and strong Swiss privacy laws. Tutanota is another good choice and is open source and ad-free. Guerrilla Mail works well for temporary, disposable email addresses. You can also use services like AnonAddy or AnonAddy to create email aliases that forward messages to your real inbox without revealing your identity. When signing up, avoid using any personal information. Choose a fake name, create a brand new username, and don't reuse old passwords or existing email addresses. Try to avoid services that require a phone number. For extra security, use a random password generator. NordPass is a great option for this. Once your anonymous email account is set up, simply log in, write your message, and send it. With NordVPN hiding your IP address and the anonymous email service keeping your identity separate, your real information stays protected. And that's it. That's how you send an anonymous email using NordVPN. If you'd like to try NordVPN yourself, check the link below for 74% off plus 3 extra months.